In this video, I'll explain the Mailchimp analytics that matter most and how to use them to improve your email campaigns. After you send a campaign, go to the report section to view its performance. The first metric to look at is open rate. This tells you how many people opened your email and gives you an idea of how effective your subject line and sender name are. Next is the click rate. This shows how many recipients clicked on a link in your email. A higher click rate usually means your content and call to action are engaging. You should also monitor bounce rate, which tells you how many emails couldn't be delivered. Keeping this number low helps maintain a healthy audience. Another important metric is unsubscribes. If too many people unsubscribe after a campaign, it may be a sign that your content isn't meeting your audience's expectations. Finally, if you're tracking sales or signups, check your conversions to see how many recipients completed the action you wanted them to take. Instead of focusing on every number, pay attention to these key metrics. They provide the clearest picture of how your campaigns are performing and where you can improve. And that's how to understand the Mailchimp analytics that matter most.